Deep conditioning treatment. This add-on service is best for clients with dry, frizzy hair who want softer, smoother, and more manageable hair. During the consultation, which is part of the connection, you will want to identify if the conditioning treatment is right for them and set expectations of the service. You're going to want to make sure that you drape them with comfort with a Sanex strip, cape, and additional towel if needed. Then you will want to perform a massage shampoo using the Paul Mitchell Awapui Wild Ginger Nourishing Shampoo and rinse it all out. Next, you will prep the hair for the treatment by thoroughly towel drying the hair. Then section the hair. Now apply the Paul Mitchell Awapui Wild Ginger Intensive Treatment to the hair from mid-lengths to ends. Make sure to use a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute the treatment. Once you have applied the treatment to all the hair, clip up any length and wrap it in a hot towel to open the cuticle, letting the treatment get deep inside the hair. After you let the treatment sit on the hair for at least 10 minutes, you will rinse it out using cool water to seal the cuticle. Finish with the cut and style as usual, and be sure to point out how great the client's hair feels after you style it. During the closing act of the Floyd's 5, educate them on the products that you use today.